Okay, just time to change the spark plugs. So, just a matter of pulling off all the rear fairing, seats, take those off, take the bolts out from the tank, bolt at the front, and I've got someone on YouTube to thank for the idea of just stringing the tank from something above so that you don't have to undo any of the fuel lines. Keep it like that and then get in there and be able to get to the spark plugs easy enough. So that's pretty straightforward, hopefully. It's just running a bit rough. It's probably about time she had some new plugs. We'll see if that does the trick. Now how's this? I reckon I got this socket set, I don't know, sometime late last century when I was a youngster, given to me as a birthday present. And this had a spark plug, and that has never fit anything from a lawnmower to whatever. Turns out it's the perfect size for the spark plugs that go to ZXR, which are quite small. So look at that. How's that for a bit of serendipity, or the motorcycle gods looking after me? Excellent. Turns out I also need to double up these. I was a bit surprised, and that's quite deep. Plugs are quite deep down there and beyond the head, and quite an extension on there. So I need a couple of extensions on the ratchet to get down in there. So yeah, we'll give it a go. Bloody beautiful. Okay, so we can get one out. Gently, I think. It wasn't actually in there that tight. So we'll look at them and see how grubby they are. I mean, I got a major service when we sort of got the bike on the road. Haven't changed the plug since then. Haven't checked the gap, and it's been running beautifully. So smooth for so long, but it's just started running a little rough. So it might be time to see whether we can quite lift the plug out of there. Have to work out how to do that. Okay, we've got them all out with the help of a neighbour that had some extra long pointy nose pliers. I wouldn't have got them out otherwise. The old spark plug socket rubber was worn so it wouldn't lift them out. Anyway, we got there. Okay, let's pop these new ones in. I must say the old ones don't look too bad. You know, not too bad. We've got number 4 here. Where are we? Number 4. That's not bad for a good 18 months and a few thousand Ks. What I'm a bit concerned about is this one. She is very wet with oil. That cannot be good. I don't know. Seals buggered, oil getting past the rings, not good. Anyway, that's number 2. Number 1. Number 1's pretty dry, but that's number 3. Yeah, pretty wet too. So look, we'll see. We'll change them. We'll just see how we go. Okay. Little plugs in there. Just delicately delicately placing them, screwing them in. So I'll torque them up. I guess 13 newton meters of torque. Couldn't find a bigger torque wrench, so I'll just have to go with this one. Torque it up. We've got a couple of plugs back on. Pop them back in. Seem nice and firm. Get the others in, they've been torqued up. Spot on. See how they go now. Get those other plugs on, and we'll get it back together and fire it up. Don't worry the neighbours. It's all back together. Let's see how this goes. A bit of choke. Sound too bad, maybe it's done the trick. I reckon that sounds alright. I reckon that'll do it.